still birthday edition. Always give you a beach walk. I don't know what you think gonna make today any different. I'll show y'all what's to it. Bring you guys along with me. So, you know how we do it. Let's see. Better go for a little beach walk. Don't go out. I'm gonna walk down the way and back. Waving, ain't they?
My feet in this sand, so it's like going deep.
Yeah. And sometimes they make it make it harder to walk.
That's what they're putting my knees up too.
You can't really get on it. You got to be on the hard part, not the really soft part. Saturday, they out here. Not going far because you can see the beach stretch far as I can see, and people was out here. Water look tempting, don't it? Okay, we ain't gotta walk too far. Okay, we're gonna live, knock off the party tonight. know y'all probably looking at this video like them waves are crazy, ain't it? But it's not too bad and the water's not too cold. But would I be taking my little old self out there? That's gonna be a negative. I'm more of a calm water getting into. That's a few waves. He out there. That's good wind. He out there sail surfing. Ain't nothing but the wind in the parachute. He on a board. Wind stop, keeping him up. The wind keeping him up. Yeah. Oh, you guys, Miami Beach. Couldn't come to Miami without showing y'all the beach. The nice size cruise ship. I might can see it down the way. There now. Look like it might be Carnival. We in Miami like Uncle Luke. Thumb up the video. $2 thumb it up. It's called Dade County 305. Little girl almost disappeared. Quick little walk for y'all. See what look at our view. As you know, Miami Beach is the place to be. A lot going on. Acrobatics.